This is Ardha Matsyendrasana, or half Lord of the Fishes. We'll start with the right leg straight and the left knee bent. Cross your left foot to the outside of the right thigh, and then lean to your right. Lift up the left butt cheek if it helps, and then bend the right knee and bring your foot outside of your butt. Then both sits bones come down even. If you're still kind of lean to the side and the left butt cheek is elevated, then put a blanket or a stack of books or a bolster or something underneath both hips. Left hand goes behind the back for support. We're not leaning back. We're just using that hand like a kickstand. Sternum is lifted, spine is straight up and down. Reach the right arm up. Breathe in, lengthening the spine, and as you exhale, turn to the left. Bend the right elbow. If your upper arm makes it outside the thigh without losing the integrity of the spine, staying lifted upright, great. If not, who cares? Bring the elbow to the front of the knee instead, or hand to the knee. It's not important whether or not you can get your arm outside your leg. What is important in this pose is that you keep the spine lifted upright with even space between each vertebrae. So when you go into the spinal twist, you're not twisting but also compressing. So even distribution between each vertebra. Keep those discs healthy. So this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is not good for the elbow. You have pressure of the knee against the forearm, which pushes the elbow into a hyperextension. So if you can't get the upper arm outside of your thigh, keeping the elbow bent, that's the sign to choose a different arm position. Hand to knee, elbow around the knee. If you are able to get your upper arm outside the thigh, then maybe you can work on the bind. You'll take your right shoulder, internally rotate it so the thumb faces down, and then here you can lean over that leg a little bit to reach underneath that triangle of the knee. But then once you take the left arm behind the back and clasp your fingers, take that hunch out of the back again. Bring your spine upright. So there's nothing but rotation going on in the joints of your spine.